Hello everyone, I wanted to thank you for joining me today. I wanted to take this time to discuss some of my concerns with the data center industry. First off, I would like to talk about what is a data center and how does the data center industry operate. A data center is a centralized facility that houses an organization that shares its operation and equipment, specifically for storing, processing, and managing data. These are the locations that would hold the data for internet and also for office buildings. Typically, a small data center would have around 10 to 30 employees, with a hyperscale site having up to 100 to 300 employees. Data centers have become extremely profitable to run, with most of its revenue coming from rent and utility usage. They are relatively expensive to build and cheap to maintain compared to the revenue that they generate. Due to this, many companies have decided to get into the market, fighting to build these as quick as possible. However, not everything is going well in the data center industry. Many cities in the United States have started to restrict or ban the building of new data centers, mostly out of fears of not being able to produce enough energy. The energy footprint of these data centers is massive. One data center can use as much as 800 times that of a residential home. This has led to large spread energy shortages and increased pricing for consumers. For reference, an office building with around 1,000 employees uses around 6.6 gigawatt hours of energy a year versus a data center which uses around 8.7 gigawatt hours annually with a fraction of the employees. This demonstrates that most of the value that data centers add to the communities are added to the actual company themselves and not the communities around them in which they serve.